There's two new springs laying in the back of it.
Oh, okay, awesome.
And I got a few other little things to go with it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, where y'all label?
Wiper motor?
Yeah, it's a wiper motor.
What? We won't need a tank for this one.
Why not?
Perfectly fine.
Oh yeah. Well, you just put a little plate over top of it. I'm sure it's got clean gas. Yeah, look at that. That's got clean gas.
For the gas pedal. Got a hole in.
Oh no way. Oh boy.
Show them the front leaf spring.
Oh yeah. So we've got a good leaf spring here, and then over here. Oh my. That's.
You need to replace.
What do we got over here, Tanner? What are we calling this one?
Yes, this one at this trencher.
Trencher. Why are we calling it trencher?
Because it has the original PTO trencher on the back.
This guy. You don't see these much anymore.
Cool, bro. You know how they got the vacuum?
A trencher attachment. Digs trenches. And actually it says Jeep a trench on one of these posts here. Here it is. Jeep a trench. Auburn Machine Works Inc., Auburn, Nebraska. Look at that. Floor is gonna need another floor.
It's going to need another tank.
We could sit there. I think we could sit there. Oh. You think that's part of this transmission or someone else's?
I don't know. Yeah.
Solenoid, that doesn't go there.
Uh-uh.
This one is gonna need some love. All right, Tanner, what we got? What are you looking at?
Looking at that CJ7 back there. It's been sitting there for a long time.
Yep. CJ7, the green one right there.
We got CJ5.
Got a 5 right here.
Looks like someone probably was a, I don't know, something back in the 80s.
Yeah. We got some bodies here.
Olympic white.
Olympic white, Tanner says.
CJ5. We're gonna have a fender bender.
Oh yeah. We got a fender or a frame here that's coming to a triangle. It's really cool. CJ7 dash. Got a number of vehicles back here. Some 5s, 7s. There's a 5. There's a 5. Here's a 5. Top shifter right there. We got a top shifter. We got a fender. We got some bows here. It's hard to find those CJ5 bows anymore. Got a number of vehicles back here. One right there says Oakley on it. And then this is kind of cool. This is a military one. M38A1. And we got some. Let's see. Got some writing right there in another language. It's kind of cool. And we walk back over here. What we got, Tanner?
Very, very nice CJ5 tub.
Yeah, great condition.
Great condition.
It's from the factory like this.
No rust at all.
They rolled them off the lot like this. They crimped them like this because naturally, as you drove the vehicle a little bit more, it would kind of right itself into a straight body. And they put the alternator right here out on the fender for easier access. You just run a serpentine belt here. So a belt goes around that way and then back in. Engine's kind of cockeyed, and that's better for efficiency with gas mileage. Ooh, we got a mail truck. There's one of the Jeep dogs. So really cool. You'll see there's the little tray that the mail would go in. Steering column would be on the right side. Let's see. Safety check, operating the vehicle, owner, driver caution, data plate, really cool. Mail truck, hard top. Oh, it's a DJ5. That's really cool. And there's another one right behind it. What is this one?
This is a CJ5 Laredo.
How do we know it's a CJ5, Tanner?
Because of the curve of the back of the tub. It has a curve instead of it straight up like a U.
So what he's talking about is right here. It's got more of like an S shape right here. So CJ7 has more of a U shape. There are so many vehicles on this, guys, on this property. I mean, we haven't even walked half of it, and there's easily over 100 vehicles that we've passed already. Just already. We got a Renegade here, CJ5. Really cool place. What'd you find, Tanner?
Golden Eagle.
Oh yeah, Georgia, from Effingham, Georgia.
Open the door, let it.
Yeah, look at that. Looks like, it almost looked like coming up on it. It looked like they were maybe carrying flowers when they parked it, but nope. Just bell housings. Cool cloth covered seats and stuff. Got weeds out here taller than the vehicles. Wagoneers. Everywhere you turn, a Jeep and the weeds. Jeep bodies after Jeep bodies after grills. We got frames. Seems like you have grills just like everywhere. Oh, look at this. Here we go. M38. Tanner, now do you know why it's an M38?
Not exactly.
No? Well, you've got the snorkel detents right here. So that would have been for your fording system.
Box on the hood and the cowl.
Yeah, that. But right here you have the bolted on vent cover versus the swivel vent cover. Oh my gosh, there's bees. Oh, there's bees. Oh, that's a Skeeter Hawk. It's really cool. Is that an old radio? Oh, the hard top. That's pretty cool. Got Willys after Willys after Willys. Willys after Willys after Willys. I know a lot more Wagoneers and stuff than I thought they were up here. It's just everywhere there's a Jeep. Everywhere. Hey, you should have wore pants. Oh, okay. All right, guys, I can't even tell you how far we've come. I mean, where we're picking up the Jeeps at is way that way. There's like this stretch. We've walked down like 4 separate sets of rows and we're still going. I haven't even gotten to where vehicles stop yet. You can see roll bars just for days that way. And you've just got vehicles everywhere, all over it. And if I walk that way, there's just even more. Wish I had a drone. There's a CJ7 Renegade. CJ7, CJ5. Okay, we've made it to the edge of the property where the vehicles are on. You've got double stacks in rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows that way. And then this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 7 that way. So 14 rows. And there's probably enough in a line to be 10 vehicles in each direction on one side. So 20 per row. That's 140. That's 14 rows times 20, guys. Help me with my math. What is that? 280 vehicles just in this one field? And you can just see roll bars everywhere. Every roll bar is a vehicle. That's crazy. That is absolutely nuts. Same thing this way. Just roll bars. But then you get into like the Wagoneers and stuff. What do you think, Tanner?
I'm home. This is my home.
This is your home? So many Jeeps. All right, where are we at?
Salvage parts.
Salvage Jeep Parts and Service in Statesboro, Georgia. That's their number. They've had us up here, taking a look at all the vehicles they got on the lot, all the stuff that they've got on the lot. So if you see anything in these videos that you might need parts for, some original parts or stuff that's not being reproduced or anything like that, give them a call. I know you guys have heard me talk about them when you've called and asked for some parts or anything like that. We've sent you to them. This kind of gives you a small taste. I can't even get all this on film. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back at the garage.